Dear students, welcome back to your mathematics class with your Ashu ma'am. Today, dear students, I'm going to tell you about the tax. What do you mean by tax? And when you bring anything, you bought anything from the market, you buy anything from the market, sometimes you have to pay some tax. For example, when you eat food in a restaurant, you have to pay, you will get the bill after adding some taxes. What are those taxes which we deal with? In the previous years, we used to deal with like sales tax, then VAT means value added tax, then GST. Nowadays, all the various taxes has been excluded. Now we used to pay GST, that is goods and service tax. Nowadays we will pay GST on the various items. So dear students, what do we mean by these taxes? Okay, how to calculate the amount to be paid after applying the sales tax or VAT or GST. So what is the concept? So let us do the question number 8 of 8.2 exercise to understand the concept of tax. So dear students, 8.2 exercise and question number 8, let us read it out. The price of a TV is rupees 13,000. Means the marked price is 13,000. Originally the TV is of 13,000. The sales tax charged on it is at the rate of 12%. Means while purchasing this TV, we have to pay 12% tax on this cost. Now what they are asking, find the amount that Vinod will have to pay if he buys it. Means now it is quite understood, dear students, that after applying the tax, the value of the price of the TV will get increased. And how the value get increased? By adding the tax, obviously. So in this question, we are talking about the sales tax. So how to deal with this sales tax? Let us see how to calculate. So dear students, whatever they'll ask you, that will be our statement, whatever given to us. Like the marked price of the TV, we'll write marked price of TV is rupees 13,000. Now we have to add that much sale tax on this. So now amount to be, we have to calculate the amount to be paid including the sale tax. So how to calculate it? This is the marked price. MP means marked price. We have to add the tax while paying the amount. Now tax is how much? 12%. And dear students, as I told you, percentage can't be taken alone. Percentage कभी भी अकेले नहीं होती. Percentage किसी ना किसी से multiply होती है. So 12% of obviously किसका percent लिया जाता है? जो original price होती है. That means 12% of the marked price. Right? So let us put the values. What is the marked price? It is 13,000 rupees plus 12 per means divided by, cent means 100, of means multiply, and again 12% of marked price. Always remember, we will add the tax. टैक्स हमेशा ऐड करके पे करते हैं, डिस्काउंट हमेशा माइनस किया जाता है, बिकॉज डिस्काउंट मेक्स द थिंग cheaper and tax makes the thing expensive. But we have to pay, as a citizen of our country, we have to pay the tax. We should pay the tax. So let us calculate it. So by doing this calculation, you will get the answer as, so by multiplying this, we'll get 1,560. So this is the tax which is gonna be added to the marked price. So after adding this tax, the cost of the TV will become rupees 14,560. Means this is the tax which will be applied on this. this is the 12% tax on this item. So dear students, we have to, this is the answer which we have to get. So amount to be paid including the sale tax will be this. So always remember, whenever we'll apply the tax, it will be added. So let us do the similar question. Now dear students, question number 9. Arun bought a pair of skates at a sale where the discount was given. Of course, the sale is there. We'll definitely get the discount. How much discount Arun got? 20%. If the amount he pays is rupees 1600, if the amount he pays is means ये amount वो दे रहा है 1600, means इसके अंदर discount लग कर ये amount आया है. Find the marked price. So now the amount paid is given to us and we need to find out the marked price. That means, dear students, now they are talking about the discount. Means to save money, we used to attract by the sales, and in the sales we get the discounts. So now what to do? So whatever given to us in the question, first of all we'll write that discount given or offered is equal to 20%. Amount after discount, this is the paid amount after discount, is 1600. Means whatever is the cost, after subtracting 20% discount from that, Arun paid 100 rupees. Now we need to find out the marked price of that item, the pair of skates. So whatever they will ask you, that will be a statement. So let the marked price is equal to rupees X. So according to the question, we have marked price, जो हमारा tag है उसके पास X, उसके ऊपर X लिखा हुआ है. Because it's a discount, we will subtract it. How much discount is offered? It is 20%, so we'll take 20%. But as I told you, percent never be taken alone. परसेंट किसी ना किसी का होता है. परसेंट किसका होता है? हमेशा मार्क्ड प्राइस का होता है. वी कैन राइट इट हेयर एज मार्क्ड प्राइस ऑल्सो. 20% ऑफ अगेन मार्क्ड प्राइस इज इक्वल टू द अमाउंट टू बी पेड. अमाउंट टू बी पेड. Amount paid we can write, because in this question he already paid. So what is the marked price? We have assumed it as X. Because it's a discount, तो discounts तो reduce किया जाता है. For reduction we take the negative sign. Minus 20 per means divided by, cent means 100, off means multiply, again the marked price, so that is X, is equal to how much he paid after the discount. He paid rupees 1600 after getting this discount. So let us solve it. So this will be X minus 2x by 10. We can reduce it further also, or you can leave it in this form, because 2 and 10 are multiples. But to take the LCM, 10, this is 10x minus 2x is equal to 1600. So 10x minus 2x is 8x, and we'll make it cross multiplied 1600. So x is equal to into 10, x is equal to 16,000 divided by 8, again by cross multiplication this. So we'll get 2,000. Means originally the cost of the skates was 2,000 rupees, but after getting the discount of 20%, Arun bought them for only 1,600. So we'll write the answer. Therefore, marked price of skates, of a pair of skates, is equal to rupees 2,000. So I hope the question is clear to you. Let us brief the question, dear students. In the question, they are talking about the discount offered to Arun on the pair of skates. So after getting this discount, Arun paid rupees 1,600. After getting the discount, we need to find out the marked price. So let the marked price be x. So अमाउंट पेड हमारे पास, अगर हमारे पास 2000 लिखा हुआ है तो डिस्काउंट हमेशा क्या किया जाता है, सब्ट्रैक्ट. सो मार्क प्राइस माइनस 20% ऑफ मार्क प्राइस इज इक्वल टू अमाउंट पेड. So we have assumed mark price as x. So we'll take x minus, we'll solve it. 20% means 20 by 100 of x. We'll solve it, and after solving it, we'll get the answer as x is equal to 2000. Means the marked price of the skates was 2000 rupees, and after getting the discount of 20%, जो 2000 के skates थे वो अरुण को कितने में पड़े, 1600. So this is the concept of discount. In case of discount we subtract, in case of sales checks we used to add. So dear students, now question number 10. All these questions are similar. Try the questions yourself also. I purchased a hair dryer. You all know what is a hair dryer, which helps in drying the hair. I purchased a hair dryer for rupees 5400, including 8% VAT. That means, dear students, this is the cost of hair dryer which I have paid after including VAT. VAT means value added tax. टैक्स लगने के बाद की कॉस्ट है ये. Find the price before VAT was added. Means original price we have to find out. Before word is there means हमें original price जो मार्क की हुई प्राइस है हमारे हेयर ड्रायर पर, we need to find out that. So in this question, dear students, they are talking about value added tax, means VAT. This is another kind of tax. So in this question, what is given to us, we'll write that. So we have been given cost of hair dryer including VAT, means this is the paid cost of hair dryer, that is 5400. We have paid this amount on, and how much VAT is included in this value added tax, it is 8%, and we need to find out the marked price. Dear students, must note down the full form of VAT in your notebook also. So whatever they will ask you, we will write, we will assume that as x. So let the marked price is equal to rupees x, because price unit is always x, rupees, so we'll write rupees. Now what is the formula for that? We'll take according to the question, the original price means marked price. Now as you know, VAT is there, tax is there. Tax is always added to the marked price. So we will add how much tax is applied? 8%. But 8% of what? Of course, marked price is equal to amount paid. Amount paid. So what is the marked price? We need to find out, that is x, plus 8 per means divided by, cent means 100. 8% off means multiply of x is equal to how much amount I have paid? Rupees 5400. Right? Rupees 5400. So let us solve it. Let us, both the like terms are there. So we will add them by taking the LCM. So 100 is the LCM. Here 100 is not there, 1 is there, 100 is 100. So 100x plus 8 into x is 8x is equal to 5400. So this is 108x upon 100 is equal to 5400. You know how to calculate? By cross multiplication. So x will be 5400 multiplied by 100, it will goes in the numerator, and 108 in the denominator. So by solving it, we'll get the value of x as rupees 5000. Means originally the marked price of hair dryer was how much rupees? Rupees 5000. So in this way, dear students, you have to solve the question, right? So just remember, if it is a tax, we have to add it in the marked price. If it is a discount, we have to subtract it from the marked price. And percentage never be taken alone. Percentage हमेशा किसका लिया जाता है? Marked price का. So in this way, now you will be able to calculate the amount to be paid by yourself whenever you go for a shopping. Okay? So whenever you go for a shopping along with your mother, do calculate the amount to be paid by yourself. Either if you have to apply the tax, then add the things, add the percentage, and if you will get the discount, then subtract it. Very simple. So now let us similarly do the next question. So now, dear students, question number 11. An article was purchased for that much rupees, including, again including word is there, GST of 18%. Means now new tax is there, that is GST, means goods and service tax. Now an article was purchased for that much rupees, including GST. Means this is the amount paid after applying the GST. Now find the price of the article before GST. Means we have to find out the marked price once again. So whatever is given to you in the question, we'll write. So about which tax they are talking about in the question? Now they are talking about goods and service tax, that is GST. So it is just similar to the other taxes. Nowadays GST is applied on the various things. So let us do the question. So dear students, now we have been given amount paid, means after including tax, that is rupees 1239. दिस इज़ द अमाउंट पेड, जो हम पे कर चुके हैं. और पे कौन सा अमाउंट करते हैं? जिसमें जीएसटी लगा हुआ होता है, ऑलरेडी एडेड. सो प्राइस बिफोर जीएसटी, प्राइस ऑफ आर्टिकल बिफोर जीएसटी वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट. मीन्स मार्क्ड प्राइस अगेन we need to find out. The question is just similar to the previous question, and note down the full form of GST in your notebook also. GST means goods and service tax. So whatever they will ask you, that will be a statement. So we will write, let the marked price is equal to rupees X. So now according to the question, marked price, now GST tax is there, we will add it, discount subtract किया जाता है और marked price tax add किया जाता है. How much tax we have to add? 18%. Percent of what? Of marked price. And the amount paid after this is the amount paid. So let us put the values. What is the marked price? We need to find out. We'll take it as X plus 18% of X is equal to how much amount is paid? Rupees 1239. So let us take the LCM again. 100. This is 100X plus 18X is equal to 1239. So this will become 118X upon 100 is equal to 139. Cross multiplication. So X is equal to 1239. This will goes in the numerator and 118 will come in the denominator. So by solving it, we'll get the value of X. So we'll get the X as, so by solving it, we'll get the value of X as 1050. That means marked price, or we can say the price or price of article before GST was rupees 1050. So after applying the GST, the article which was of 1050 rupees, after applying GST, we bought it for 1239 rupees. So dear students, I hope the concept of discount as well as tax and selling price, cost price, profit loss is clear to you now. That's all.